Hi, my name is Niklas and I'm a factory planner here at BMW. What 3 things would you take with you to a lonely island? Definitely a knife, a rugby ball, and at least a phone or a satellite phone. How would you describe your job to a 10-year-old? We build facilities where we need to make sure that our process, so the production, can produce electrical storages. That means that every party in the production building needs to be able to do their job properly. Morning person or night owl? Definitely not a morning person. I love to stay in bed longer in the mornings. What items can be found in your car? At the moment I don't have a car anymore. Since I moved to Munich, I prefer to use my motorcycle here instead. But before it was definitely a lot of clothes, which I had in my boot of the car. And then in the front, definitely a coffee cup, which I need in the morning to get up. What is the funniest thing that happened to you at work? I would say it was a situation where we get stuck at the airport. It was really annoying in the beginning, but at the end we had probably our funniest time at work. So good colleagues make funny moments. What's your favorite Bavarian dish? It's actually a breakfast, even if I'm not a morning person, but I would say it's definitely Weißwurst, Brezen and sweet mustard.